The incarcerated All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Shabir Shah has stressed the need for peaceful solution to the Kashmir dispute, which is the main cause of tension, arms race, political and economic instability, hunger and unemployment in the South Asian region. In his message from New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail, Shabir Shah said hundreds and thousands of Kashmiris have sacrificed their lives for the Kashmir cause, and India cannot deprive them of their birthright, the right to self-determination. Senior Hurriyat leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed grave concern over the threat to the life of illegally detained Kashmiri Hurriyat leaders, youth and human rights activists lodged in various jails of the occupied territory and India in view of the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. He deplored that most of the prisoners were already suffering from various ailments due to lack of proper food and medical facilities in jails. Mirwais and senior APHC leaders Agha Saeed Hassan al-Mosmi al-Safi condemned the closure of Kashmir Press Club by the occupation authorities. PTP President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a gathering in RS4 Jammu, said that Jammu and Kashmir was facing an existential threat under Modi-led BJP rule. She pointed out that BJP regime has turned the entire Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a laboratory where experiments are conducted on daily basis. APHC leader Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, paid glowing tributes to over 50 innocent Kashmiris who were martyred by Indian troops during firing on peaceful protesters in Gawkadar area of Srinagar on January 21, 1990. Meanwhile, 3 Kashmiri students suffered injuries after they were thrashed and beaten mercilessly by the goons associated with Hindu extremist organization in the Mohali city of Indian Punjab. A London-based law firm has filed an application with the British police seeking the arrest of India's Army Chief and Home Minister Amit Shah for perpetration of war crimes in the disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The law firm Stoke White said that it submitted extensive evidence to the Metropolitan Police's War Crimes Unit documenting how Indian troops headed by General Manoj Mukund Narwane and Home Minister Amit Shah were responsible for the torture, kidnapping and killing of activists, journalists and civilians in the occupied territory.